life ain't never changed, cause I cannot wait until they set me free. So I finally can spend the rest of my days with you. Girl, I'm dangerously in love with you, eternally. Not just mentally, but physically I am feeling you, and I really hope that you feeling me.
Wait.
Hey guys, it's me Charity.
And me Buka.
And today we're gonna do a mukbang. Or what is it? Mukbang. Something. We're gonna do
I know how to say it. I don't know how to say it. It's probably mukbang. It's like.
That's so racist.
How is it racist?
Like, cause the way you said it, like you could be like mukbang. You like mukbang. Like you were trying to say Chinese. Like that's hella racist. Like,
didn't they make it up? Like, yes, they did. You see mostly.
No, that's being so racist. What if we had like subscribers who are Asian?
I love all people. I love Asians.
Okay. So.
I love Asians.
Yeah. Today it's like we're gonna be eating. It's like pasta, I think. Yeah. Oh, that like good for that. That look good. Okay, so it's like pasta, and it's like I think it's chicken. I don't know the difference from chicken, pork, all that stuff. Ribs. Okay, ribs, and it was beans, but I don't.
But I got the better place.
I don't eat beans.
Drop the beans.
Okay, look. I don't eat beans. I really don't like beans, but them beans was good. Like they was hella good. I should have bought some. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be eating. And should we make it like a / story time?
About what?
We're gonna figure something out. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we changed our mind. We're not doing a like specific story time because he can't find one. So we're gonna talk about random stuff.
I'm saying I can't find one.
No,
you can't find one either. Y'all trying to find.
Yeah.
Anyway, if y'all really knew how cows and chickens were emptied out, they all be chickens.
Same with hot dogs.
They take the guts, they suck them all out, but they chop the heads off first, and then they skin them. I wouldn't lie how to skin an animal, I ain't gonna lie.
What are you talking about?
So I can make my own food.
You know how to cook.
I see a cat outside, I'm gonna kill it, I'm gonna scalp it.
A cat?
It's food. Pure protein.
Boy, you will be eating that cat. You get it?
Not by my.
I'm probably gonna edit that out later. I said that. My mama really be watching. It's like she really sat there and watched our whole Q&A.
Gosh. She ain't pick up nothing we was saying though.
I know.
I said some shit. No lie. This rib look good. I'm gonna drop it. It was dripping. Y'all wish y'all had some. There's a bean on there. I'm gonna take the first bite.
I'm gonna try to break the bone.
You trying to break the bone?
I'm gonna pick one of like, there's 2 types of people in the world. I had the piece of chicken, and then the chicken bone was like, it was no meat on it, it was just a bone. And the other still had meat on it. Why do I even have a fork? We literally don't even need forks for nothing that we have. What's up with the beans?
Well then, nothing.
What?
And I got a water. It's yours?
Mm.
No matter. We eat off the same thing. If you know what I mean.
If you could be a girl for one day, what would you do?
Do you want my serious answer?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you want my serious answer? Because they're both serious and very sexual.
Never mind.
No lie.
Who calling? Answer.
Hello?
Hey, this is what?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, boy. I don't think I'm still go home.
Why you say that?
I just heard hella shots still off, boy. Hold on, let's see this nigga.
And we're back.
That got serious.
Wait, so is Stewie 5 or is he like older?
Stewie is Stewie. Baby forever. He never gonna go up. It's 2017. And they still ignore this nigga when he talk.
It's not 2017.
19.
Oh, yes.
What?
Oh, yes, it is.
What?
Cause I was buying and I was like, it's a bone. Is it a bone? I'm a little thirsty. That's why I haven't drank that water. You look all that? You might, no, come on. I'm thirsty.
So, let me tell you the story of how me and her, I don't know, we do a lot. I don't know, we do a lot. What was a funny but messed up story? Yes, sir.
Yeah. When are we gonna get him? We really do. We really do.
What?
Live in the ghetto.
I know.
Do I look like I would live in the ghetto? I don't even. I'm scared of crackheads. How am I gonna live in the ghetto? Did I tell you a story when her car had broke down in Richmond by the store? I was so scared. Like, I was like, why we stop it? Why we stop it? And then he was like, the car broke down. Next thing you know, I swear, they was coming like roaches from everywhere. Like, I was so scared.
Where's your at, Richmond?
We was at that corner store. It was, oh my, it was so scary. It was hecka dark and the dolphin came
Is the
up.
taco truck next to it?
I know what you're talking about. It was by that school. The one you talking about, but no. They were crazy. He was like, hey, let me fix your car. Let me fix the tire. Let me fix the tire. This hella jumpy.
Did he?
I'm like, you don't even know what you're doing. He was like, let me go find out. Let me go find out. Like, what the fuck?
Wait.
I was so scared. I locked all the doors.
So did he know?
Who? Did I have to fix the tire?
Yeah.
No, he did not fix the tire. Kevin was letting this nigga play with the tire. Like, he was really playing games. Like, I was so scared.
I need your charger, the Marcus.
I ain't got no charger.
Cherry, got you the charger, this thing I'm like a bitch.
Well then. Fucking pussy.
I'm used to it.
It's not high. High.
I would have let you use it, but I'm using
Yeah, bitch. Roll up out of your pussy.
Who are you?
it. Why do y'all talk to each other
Who
like
are
that?
you, pussy?
Nobody knows you.
I don't give a fuck, bitch.
Don't get me started on that fake ass watching though. That fake ass wrist that you got. That shit weak. But that shit was $24. The fuck? No. That's what I'm gonna do. But get out, bro. I don't got no charger. No, I have to my mama. I'm not ready. They mine. You know what? I don't have a charger, bro.
I was gonna say if you tongue kiss somebody the first time you meet them, that's it. But I don't know, I gave you a pick.
Shut up. Anyway, the first time I had the roughest shit of my life.
Shit, like poop.
Shit, poop.
What
Oh
you
my
know?
goodness.
Who was that?
DJ.
Answer.
Alright. Yeah. Huh.
King got his ass beat today.
By who?
No, hey, look at
Wait, what happened? Damn. Damn. Damn, Mark.
So you ain't fight Taj J? Who the fuck is Taj J? So now you act like you don't know Mr. Marcus on the phone. Right, yeah, right. Still God. Who's not God? Nigga, watch out, man.
I'm gonna go in the bathroom, look at this shit.
2 hours later.
Oh my gosh.
I wouldn't talk about.
Remember that day we had got to argue with each other?
Where?
I'm gonna tell you. Okay, that one. That was at the game. It was DA versus Bethel, wasn't it? Yeah, it was DA versus Bethel. Oh, I was pissed off that whole day. I feel like girls just kept bothering me. Like they was doing little slick stuff the whole game. You remember that? Like we going to go get, what was it, nachos?
Yeah, no lie, dog.
Oh, it was a hot dog. And I give her the money. So that means I'm paying for it, right? If you give somebody money, that means they give you the food, right? Right, that's what I thought. So we go on the other side. And she like, oh, here's your hot dog to the market. Like he bought the hot dog. Like I was so bad. No, like she was looking at him the whole time. The old lady was like getting the hot dog ready. She's just looking at him. I'm looking at her, look at him. I'm just like, this dude got slick. Then you trying to give him my hot dog. Like you're trying to fuck with him. I was so mad. But anyways, yeah. We was on the bleachers. I don't know how we got an argument, but we was mad at each other. Good nigga. We do that a lot.
And then, see,
Our anniversary.
our anniversary was the
Our
best day of our
first-
lives.
Our first year anniversary.
A lot happened.
Goodness.
Impossible shit happened that day. That should not have happened. What?
Really?
What?
Don't start.
We hit backflips. What are you talking about?
Oh, we went to hotel, remember?
So,
No, but it was funny because he was being funny, and the reason we ended up there is because like he was like, was he going to get a Red Lobster or something? And then I was like, I'm hungry. He was like, well, there's hometown, and you know he was being funny, and I was like, shit, we might as well have that hometown. I was hungry, so we had went to hometown. Oh, that shit was nasty. They
I don't
have
know why
no-
we kept eating
They
shit.
have-
We kept eating like that was gonna get good. But like
Because we like,
that was sick.
Oh my goodness.
Only
We
thing
kept
good there was
eating
the slushies. The ice cream wasn't even good.
food.
Frostbite.
It was heck of fun.
What
It was
else?
a heck of fun.
We have
Homecoming. Oh, remember Homecoming?
Homecoming was the bomb. I came juice down.
Part 2 this year, 2020.
I'm not going.
Oh,
I'm just kidding.
what are we wearing?
Red bottoms.
I kind of want to wear like a trench coat. Like a trench coat dress, you know? That'd be cute. Like some see-through heels. And then like wrap around my ankle. Or some black ones. That would be hecka cute.
So, I don't know what none of that looks like, so.
Okay,
I'm finna wear bust down fit or just sepsies. Blue and white. So, what's better? Chick-fil-A
I hate you.
or
I hate
hold
you.
on.
No, I literally
Chick-fil-A
hate
or
you.
Popeye?
Popeyes. Hands down. Popeyes forever.
Team Chick-fil-A.
Team Popeyes.
Let's see if people fucking with. Team Popeyes.
Comment down
Uh,
what team you are. Comment Chick-fil-A for Chick-fil-A and comment Popeyes for mine. Because Chick-fil-A is disgusting.
We
I had they tenders. Ugh, they were sick. I don't know how y'all eat them.
Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings?
I never ate at Buffalo Wild Wings. I haven't.
Wingstop.
What's that?
King Wingstop. Burger King or McDonald's?
Burger King.
McDonald's.
Depends. It depends. Because if I want to go, like if I'm just hungry for some fries,
Nope,
I wanna-
period. Just period.
okay. That's kind of hard. I ain't gonna lie.
Burger King.
I don't know. 'Cause chicken nuggets.
Burger
It's so
King.
good. No! You eat burger? You eat Burger King chicken nuggets? You sick. You eat they chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
It's called Burger King for a reason. They're known for their burgers. These sit there eat their nuggets. You
McDonald's.
sick. Yeah, it don't say like McBurger or nothing. It's just McDonald's. So they sell everything.
They sick with everything too.
No, they not.
That
You
shit
eat
fake.
Burger King.
They shit fake.
You eat Burger King chicken nuggets. You sick.
And what is you? You eat all this stuff.
Not they chicken nuggets.
They
All I
burgers
eat
and
is that Whopper
everything. That's
juice.
fake meat.
No, I eat that. Okay.
Fake
and McDonald's
meat.
has fake meat also.
Fake. My point exactly.
But I'm just saying, like, Burger King
You
is
just
better.
said exactly. McDonald's has fake meat also. What?
I don't know. But still Burger King. All the way.
Burger King.
I mean, no! McDonald's. That's what I'm trying to say.
Burger King, like she said.
No.
See,
I'm just
Burger
thinking
King is
they
so
burger.
good, it changed the opponents against them.
No, I was trying to. I don't know what I was trying to say.
Exactly.
Because I like both. I like McDonald's has everything.
Iron Man or Captain America?
Captain America. Captain America.
We love Captain America, but we also love Iron
That
Man.
was so sad when he
Shout out
came
to
back.
Tony Stark. What?
That was so sad when he came back old. Oh my god.
He was dead.
He was so old. Like really old.
Batman or Superman? Superman.
Oh.
All the way.
I don't know. Ever since I watched Gotham, I don't really like Batman.
Why?
He just like annoys me. Like Batman and Gotham, like he just hella little. Like you expect Batman to be buff and shit. Like he's little. Like he's like a 12-year-old Batman for hella long. Like I don't know watch that shit.
Tornado or hurricane?
They both bad.
I know, but
How do I pick on that?
what would you rather happen to like your section?
Probably tornado, because if you have a hurricane, if a shark is swimming towards you, and that's the last thing you see, and it just eats you, that's terrifying. But a tornado, once it hits you, you dead. Because you just, like, you know, so you dead. So, I'd rather die instantly than a shark just coming towards me, trying to eat my face.
But you have a chance.
No, I don't. If my face is...
You have a chance in both, actually.
Yeah, you do, but...
Alright, cat or dog?
Dogs. I only say that because cats are so evil.
Cat. Even though my mom is allergic to cats, I love cats.
Cats are so evil. Especially the
I don't
cats
love
around
cats, I
his
just
house.
like
They're
cats.
they so like
I don't know why they're
rude.
scared of cucumbers. Cats scared of cucumbers.
Really?
For no reason.
We should throw cucumbers at your cats. I'm sorry. They're so evil. Like, I will walk over here. I come over here every day. They should know who I am by now. I'll walk by there and they just for hella long. Like I don't know.
They finna attack
We
her.
both be sitting there though. Like, I stop and the cat stop. It would just be sitting and the cat just walk off and I'm like,
It's gonna
yeah,
attack
no.
you one day if you
It
do that.
is. It is.
Why do you stop?
I be scared because I feel like if I turn my back on it, it's just gonna jump on me and just tear my face up. And I'm so scared because if cat turn my face up, I'll probably get rabies and everything. Like,
I'll be with you,
Straight
but
cats
I
are
wouldn't kiss you and say your face, okay?
what?
I would be with you. All the way. I'm gonna just kiss like your shoulder or something. So I can kiss your face if it's all scratched up. So I'm gonna get herpes, rabies too.
You know something sick that DeMarcus said? Oh my gosh. We was
What?
on the bed. Can I tell you first and you tell me if I can tell the story or not? Wait, what was this story?
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry for something. I really just forgot what I was saying. I swear to God. We can edit this out. I'm so serious.
Oh, I remember. Can I tell them that?
No.
Yes, I'm gonna tell them that. It was so
No.
funny. We was on the bed, right? And
Do not.
DeMarcus out of nowhere, he gonna say, "What if we were brother and sister?" No, he said, "What if we were related?" I said, "You know, your natural reaction would be like, ew, that would be so like nasty. Like, I can't be with you." He goes, I know her. Babe, I ain't gonna lie. It is what it is. We already did it. Like, what? You was still want to be in a relationship with me, fun of being related. Like, that's a different type of love. That's like a creepy type of love. It is. Baby, you would really be with me if your mom was just like, oh, FYI, y'all brother and sister. Like, you just still would be with me.
How would I look at you?
That's how you would look at me?
How would I look at you?
You would be like, I don't know. I would be like disgusted. Like, you're my brother? Are they naked on that couch?
Yes.
Oh, that is so rated R. That's so nasty. Stop doing that. DeMarcus, can you... DeMarcus, stop. I don't like that. Okay, I'm ending it. I'm